Welcome back at CryptoFly channel. Let's double check the ICP local updates with my custom set. So finally, I didn't track it, but last week we tested 0.5 level by FIB of this week. So congrats everybody who not hop in here, and waited the target. Is it okay to buy now? I guess yes. Can we drop lower? Yes, of course, guys. It's just a market of probabilities and the possibilities. So nobody will know and tell you the future, what will happen next. We just work with own money management, risk management, and own plan. So for someone, it's more than comfortable accumulate now, for example, at $2.31 with the targets. Targets, I guess, personally for me, still relevant. I can't know only the timing, when it will happen. So if you skip at the first and the previous videos about ICP, I highly recommend you go and check the main videos to understand the targets. Now I would like to focus only on local zone, and I will double check with my customer set on the daily and the weekly, especially what's going on with this talking now. So congrats everybody who bought here by limit order, because it was reaction 50% of this week. And I highly recommend you also go and check that tutorial, how to work with that strategy, where we can buy after the retest of 50% of the week candle. It can be the daily candle week, a weekly candle week, or even the monthly. So can we drop under this one liquidity pool? Yes. $2.39. No, $2 round number. What I don't like, when we leave some round number like $2, usually we can come back and the sweep again that low, because so rarely the exchanges allow you to buy and fill the bags, so simple with the round number, because it's a psychological trick. When a lot of people just, when the price goes down, like from $3.60, people add the limit orders to buy with the round numbers. If we double check the futures, ICP USDT not available a few. Oh, it's a spot. I guess it's not available on the futures. Futures, we stop it at $1.99. So it's good. $1.99 and 4. It's much better, right? So this is much better, because maybe we will rebound from these current prices higher. Also, what I notice, usually we form some like impulse correction. Impulse should be correction to close the 50% of this downtrend move, maybe retest, and after that we start climbing up to this liquidity pool, $6 yearly open. So everything now just in this block. So the range to 990 and $2, it just can be the range. The worst case, if we just stuck in this range for the next few years, it's going to be just so horrible scenario. But keep in mind, so this drop, and this is the equilibrium of this potential drop. So I hope it was the bottom. So the point of interest and the first trouble area where we need to fix the profit, first of all, $4 withdraw initial deposit. After that, $6. You can fix like 25%, 30%, 50%, 70%. So up to you, for example, or build their own plan how to fix it. Let's focus now on the indicators. This is accumulation. Accumulation on a daily. It's good, it's bullish. Accumulation on a weekly. So soon, I guess, we will see some reversal move. So this is accumulation with the divergence, 12 time frame, bullish one. Accumulation and direction, bullish one. And the targets, guys, for example, here, if you want to scalp approximately, here, at least this is a downtrend move, drop, bounce, 347, 41, 374. Fix the profit out. If we talk about some trade positions. So this is no time, to gamble randomly and try to catch the knives all the time. No, this cycle teaches, so we need to all the time fix the profit. Market mood, 12 time frame, capitulation, disbelief. Nice one, bullish one. Daily time frame, capitulation. A weekly time frame, even better, capitulation. So it's good one. So a lot of signals now showing us its capitulation zone. Today is a Friday. What I don't like the pumps or some sideways before the weekends. So because on the weekends less volatile, so maybe we will see something like this one, sweep the low, and finally we'll see the main reversal move. So just be careful, guys. And of course, you should be ready for potential like 13% drop. Not because of the sales, just because will be a less volatile market. And we can drop again to grab liquidity. Soon we will see the money inflow again. This was the money in, now nothing. 4 time frame, 12 time frame also. Money in was here, small rebound, drop without money inflow. So add alert to see the new money inflow. Money in here, 2 days, now nothing. A weekly, this week, yes, the big guys accumulate. It's good. Some news about ICP. January is what happened. All right. All right, nice one, guys. So step by step, I guess whales accumulate or rebound. Zones for potential trade, guys. For example, you want to open futures now. Where to add a stop loss? Add a stop loss under this week. It's not an option because with the second leverage, it's 28% stop loss. It's a big one. That's why better wait, sweep liquidity or entry once again on that 50% of the week. For example, like this one, it's even much better. So 12% stop loss, for example, with the second leverage, with the target at least to 130 and higher. That's why now I don't see the setup for entry now. So just to be honest, trade on, sell, take profit, buy. It's bullish on the 12 time frame. Daily also bullish here. Take profit, buy. I wish to see retest of this level again. Maybe even the sweep of the low of $1.95 is going to be the panic in the market. And after that, maybe we can open the futures trade. This will be more and more logical. Weaker time frame, still no take profit. Let's add alert to the take profit. On many other trading pairs, we saw the take profit. And even if you want to believe one day we will see that level, on many trading pair, we saw it. So for speculation, I showed you the levels where to probably more than okay to open the futures trade. For spot, if you want to accumulate this for long run, you know, with the target over than $40, and I think one day we will see the $40 over than $40, you can accumulate even now because it's not a big deal. Like you now can use DCA 231, for example, buy at $1.50 and everything what is under $1. Your average entry will be $2. After 100% pump, $4, you withdraw initial deposit. Leave free tokens right to the whatever you want to target to see on your imagination, right? Buy line on 12 time frame. Now it's $2.09. 12 time frame. Daily time frame. Here. Retest of the buy line, it's $2.26. Fundamental value of this token, $1.68. I don't think so we're going to drop to the fundamental value of this token, but it's possible. Weekly time frame, we saw underrated. So fundamental value of ICP, $3.24. Take profit line on the weekly. It's a test of this hypothetical downtrend line, $8.64. To work with the zones. 4 hour time frame, we just in the middle. Can we retest the buy line again? But we already retested. Yes, it's possible. It's $1.72. But I don't think so we will. So, guys, I'm more about the best option personal for me. Something like this one and reversal to the take profit line. And after that, we need to make an updates. So, guys, write us in a comment what do you think about ICP. Can we drop under $2 again and go into the price discover mode under the $1 or not? And what is your high price target? If you'd like to trade with my customer set and add the same alerts like I did in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.